Samsung may not include this. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Some rumors are wrong about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 features, and we may not see those features in it. Samsung is also working on new hinge design for the upcoming Galaxy Fold 4. No matter what features we are going to get in Galaxy Fold 4, it will look almost the same as Galaxy Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 will going to hit the market in August 2022, and leaks will confirm what we are going to get in Z Fold 4. And there will be a big competitor of Galaxy Fold 4 which is going to launch on 11th of April, the Vivo X Fold, which is better in all aspects except one. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Vivo X Fold or Galaxy Fold 4, which one you consider buying. According to Business Korea, Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 will not going to have in-display fingerprint scanner. This is quite surprising since a lot of rumors are pointing towards in-display fingerprint scanner. These rumors based on Samsung's filing a patent in World Intellectual Property Organization. But in my personal opinion, Samsung did the right job. No one would unfold the phone to unlock it. And it is better for user experience that Samsung put a fingerprint scanner on the side in power button. These are just rumors and no one is confirmed until the Galaxy Fold 4 will hit the market. Meanwhile, Samsung is also putting Galaxy S22 camera in Galaxy Fold 4, where Galaxy Fold 4 get 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom. Last year, Galaxy Fold 3 comes with 12 megapixel with 2x zoom. And we can also get an improved selfie camera, a 10 megapixel lens, but it is not confirmed if it is under display camera or outer display selfie camera. Samsung is also bringing some new changes to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 hinge, whereas Samsung tried to make single hinge design which will make phone lighter, thinner and more durable compared to previous generation, and Samsung can cut the cost on it since this hinge design will have less moving parts. Samsung is also changing some internal Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which will be significant update over Snapdragon Gen 1, adding S Pen built in, but my concern is, if S Pen is included, how would Samsung manages to put big battery in it? Although this question is left unanswered. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Vivo X Fold or Galaxy Fold, which one would you consider? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.